Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add a relationship status on Facebook app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So first open up Facebook app, then right here tap at your profile picture to open up your profile, and right there hit on edit profile button. Then just scroll down for a bit until you find that relationship status option. You can just tap on that. Then you should scroll down for a bit until you find it towards the bottom of that screen, and right here all you have to do is just hit add a relationship status button. Then you can hit at this drop down list, and you can select any relationship status from suggested. There are some different statuses like engaged, married, single, it's complicated, separated, divorced, and others. So in that simple way you can just select a status, and right here you can also add your partner if you want. You can just tap here and then just start typing their name. It shows you the results. You can select a person to add as your partner, and also you can hit right here where it says scenes, and then you can select a year. Let it be 2015. So also you can add a month here in that simple way. Even a day you can add right there. And the last thing that you can set up here is privacy of that information. You can hit right there and switch it from public to friends or to only me in that simple way. Once you finished with that, just hit on save to save that information. If you wish, you can share this information on your news feed, but I'm just gonna hit at that X icon. And now if you open up your profile, let me move on to the profile, and then tap on see your about info. Here you can find all the information about you. You can scroll down until you find the relationship, and here it is. In any time you can hit right here on edit and remove that partner if you want. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Facebook tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.